Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and how to sell a position right here on FX Replay. And first of all, FX Replay is a backtest software. So we can't do that on the real time, but we can do this in the past. And what I show you now is very easy to implement that by yourself. Because right now we are having here the chart. And if you want to buy or sell, we click right here on order. And then right now we can decide right here if you want to sell or if you want to buy. Then after that, select here your market type. So limit, market or stop order. So market order is fine. And then right here, fill in the entry price. Now I want a directly marked order. So this market price is fine. Select right here with how many lots you want to step in. And then we can put a stop loss or a take profit on it. And after that, if you want to do that, do that. But right now I'm showing you how to buy and sell. So right now we click here on save. And now if you can see, we have a open position right here on the chart. And we stepped in right here on this moment. So right there. If you want to do this for a sell position, we do exactly the same, but then you need to select right here sell, select right here with how many lots. And now we do save. And now you see right here that we created ourselves a buy and a sell position on the backtest. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.